Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. Wanted to show you one of our 7x18 Colorado off-road trailers in stock. These are set up to be great multi-use units. That's what we specialize in here at Colorado Trailers. Multi-use units, you guys can camp, haul, work, play, and just get a lot of use out of your trailers. This one's set up with insulation, windows, power, AC, a whole lot of goodies on it. And they're great because they're big enough to haul UTVs and ATVs and dirt bikes and all your toys around. So again, this is a Colorado off-road trailer in a 7x18. You guys can view all of our inventory online as well as purchase any of our trailers always at getmytrailer.com, and we ship. So if you're watching this and you're nowhere near Colorado, it's all good. We'll ship the trailer right to you. It's a very easy, simple process. Again, go to getmytrailer.com. This one is in our metallic platinum silver. It's a thicker aluminum skin that we use on the off-road trailers. You do have a blackout package as well, so you can see you've got all the black trim, black diamond plate. This does come with an extended tongue. You do have a generator box and platform on the front. Does not come with a generator, but you've got a great place to ride and store that. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler as well. Great if you want to add an articulating hitch. Also great for anti-theft. This does have a twist lock plug on it as well because it does have power. We'll talk about that here more than in a second. Again, 19 inches worth of ground clearance. These trailers sit up tall. This trailer's almost 11 feet tall in total height, to give you guys kind of an idea of where we're at with that. And there's no giant axle tube that runs down underneath that defeats the purpose of being off-road. So you do have a step off that side door to get in and out. This side door has been moved back as well. If you guys want to build this out and add cabinets, you'll have ample space there. This trailer also has a bonus. It has the power awning on it. I believe this is about a 15-foot power awning. We'll take a peek at that more than a second. It's a 12 volt. It's going to run off the battery that's inside. And then we have also an awning door. This is a great multi-use feature. You guys can pull your UTVs in, jump out through that door. It makes it a whole lot easier. You can also use it for concessions. We just use it because we like the additional ventilation or to have some shade off the side of the trailer when you're out and about riding and hanging out. You do have an exterior GFI outlet right there as well. And then this one looks like it has two 5,200 pound torsion axles. This is a heavier duty axle with the 5,200 pounds, 32-inch mud terrain tires, black American racing wheels. And then this awning door, like I said, has the window in it, or it folds out like an escape door. You also have a couple party lights off the side, so you'll have some great exterior light as well. And then the aluminum roof rack with ladder. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. Great place for kayaks and canoes and those big bulky items. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back as well, so you guys have that extra stability when you want to drop from your truck and camp. Rear ramp door, of course, so you can load and unload your toys. This also has a rear deck option on it, so you guys can fold this down and use it as a ramp, or use those stabilizer jacks and make it a deck and have some additional exterior living space. Pretty cool feature. And then we do have load lights off the back as well. That's those little guys up there. Give you a good shot of this. 3-year factory warranty with these trailers. This one I believe weighs 4,000 pounds. You're gonna have about a 5,500 pound payload capacity with this unit. It is insulated as well. You have insulated walls and ceiling. We're gonna come inside here with a really nice aluminum wall and ceiling liner. 7-foot interior height again, so it's gonna be tall enough for most of those UTVs out there. And then we're gonna talk about different power options in here. So we do have some puck lights. It looks like there's 6 of these guys, which is great. And these little puck lights, as well as your load lights off the back and your party lights off the side and your power awning off the side, are all gonna run off this handy little battery. So you've got a battery box and a battery charger right here. And again, it's gonna allow you to have light on the inside and outside of the trailer and run your awning. Now you also have 30 amp service with that twist lock cord on the front, or plug in the front, so you plug into a generator, you can plug into a campground, an extension cord, however you're gonna bring power in, and that's gonna power up your interior outlets. So you do have 4 interior outlets in here, as well as the 1 exterior GFI outlet. That's also gonna run your AC unit. This is a Dometic AC unit, and it's gonna run your 2 big 4-foot LED lights across the top. So a couple different ways to get light, and you will have plenty if needed between these puck lights and these nice big 4-foot LEDs. Maxx Air roof vent on top as well. Doesn't have a fan in it, but it has a bubble cover over it. So if you guys Forget to close it, you're not gonna have to worry about it leaking water in. And then you do have a couple of the bigger windows. These are 18 by 44 slider window with screen. It's a tinted lockable window, so you've got good versatility there. Performance Nudo floor with dry maxx. This is an amazing floor, super, super durable, meant to last and hold up to tires and whatnot being pulled in and out of here. And then you do have 4 D-rings on the floor for some additional tie down points. Here is a shot looking forward. So we do have 18 feet in length, 7 feet in width, and 7-foot interior height to give you guys an idea of what is here. Here's all your light switches, and then your control for your awesome power awning is right here as well. So again, go to getmytrailer.com to view our inventory, purchase any of our trailers online. We specialize in online sales, and we are the home of the Colorado off-road trailer and the Colorado cargo trailer. So getmytrailer.com, send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com, or you can reach us. We do work limited hours due to COVID, but you can always try us at 303-688-8485.